What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Clamshell iPhone Flip 2022 was shown on high quality renders from a reliable source. Apple has decided on a form factor. Based on rumors and leaks, graphic designer Technizo Concept has partnered with Let's Go Digital Thematic Resource to render a series of 3D renders of the upcoming iPhone Flip, which could be out next year. Various sources claim that Apple has decided on the form factor. The new smartphone will be a clamshell phone similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip and the new Motorola Razr. The device is expected to use a foldable screen manufactured by Samsung. As for the famous notch at the top of the screen, it is expected to continue but get smaller, as is the case with the iPhone 12s, iPhone 13 models, expected later this year. The main camera received the same design as the iPhone 12 Pro, but it is not a fact that in the end, it will be exactly the same. Next to the camera unit is an additional screen of the same size, which will display various information, including date, time, application notifications, weather forecast, and so on. The user will immediately see who the call or message is coming from. This secondary screen will theoretically allow the main camera to use the take quality selfies. On the other hand, according to another source, with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and 120Hz screen, ASUS is preparing a strong competitor to the Clamshell Moto Razr 5G and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G. It will be called ASUS Zenfone Flip. Other phone specifications, features, price, and exact launch date of the iPhone Flip 2022 is not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.